So good morning, chemistry second year, English medium, unit is surface chemistry, topic is mechanism of enzyme catalysis. Okay, how the enzyme catalyzed reactions are taking place in living beings. Let's see the mechanism. Yes, in enzyme catalyzed reactions are taking place in two steps. So carried out in two steps. The first one, in first stage, is the enzyme interact with a substrate and the enzyme substrate complex, activated complex is formed in first stage. Then after that, in second stage, enzyme substrate activated complex undergoes decomposition. Then here is a enzyme and product. Enzyme and product. These two steps are involved in the mechanism of enzyme catalyzed reactions. In first step, enzyme interact with the substrate. That is, substrate is nothing but reactant. Enzyme substrate activated complex. In second step, enzyme substrate activated complex undergoes decomposition. As a result of that, here is a enzyme and the products are formed. Then so let's see how the enzyme interact with the substrate. Let's see. Yes, here is this is the substrate, nothing but here is a reactant. Then so this reactant interact with the enzyme. Enzyme is nothing but what? In enzyme catalyzed reaction, enzyme act as a catalyst. Then yes, this enzyme is having a number of cavities. So this is a cavity, here is a cavity, here is a cavity, here is a cavity. Okay, so enzyme is having a number of cavities on the surface of enzyme. Then yes, these cavities are having active functional groups, active groups like hydroxyl group, amino group. Then next one is carboxylic acid group and mercapto group. Mercapto group. So what is the function of these functional groups is, in general, because of the presence of active functional groups present on the surface of catalyst, it can interact with the substrate. If the active functional groups are blocked by the poisons or inhibitors, then yes, this enzyme activity is suppressed. Enzyme activity is destroyed. That's why active functional groups must be in free state in the surface of a enzyme, which are present in the cavities. Then yes, because of this reason is the enzyme interact with the substrate. Then yes, what happens here is when you observe the structure of substrate, it looks like there is a key. It looks like a key. Then it looks like here is a lock. When yes, this key is connected with the key is what fixed with in lock. Then what happens? This is the enzyme substrate activated complex. Enzyme substrate activated complex is formed. Suppose if other substrates, if other components may not interact with the enzyme, because here is the substrate is having complementary shape of enzyme. So due to this reason only, yes, these enzyme catalyzed reactions are more specific. This enzyme can interact with this kind of substrates only. Because of a complementary shape of a substrate. Then yes, this is the activated complex. After yes, here is what this activated complex undergoes decomposition. Then here is a products, and the next one is enzyme can be separated. So this enzyme structure is similar with before the reaction. Then here is products are very simplified. Then is a substrate. Here is what a substrate is very complex molecule. Then yes, after enzyme catalyzed reactions, products can be simplified. Product's structure is very simple. Very simple. Here is what example. Let's take here is a proteins. Next one is a carbohydrates. In general, they are complex molecules. When these are undergoes the enzyme catalyzed reactions. Like here is if proteins can interact with here is a trypsin as well as here is a pepsin. Okay, then next one, if the carbohydrates in general they can interact with the amylase enzyme. Okay, then these are complex molecules. These complex molecules after completion of enzyme catalyzed reaction, so they can be converted into simple molecules. If the proteins are involved in enzyme catalyzed reactions, amino acids are formed. When compared with the protein structure, and amino acid structure is very simple. Then if the carbohydrates involved in the enzyme catalyzed reaction, then it is the ultimate components are what? There is a glucose. Ultimate components are is a glucose. Yes, when compared with the starch, glucose is very simple molecule. Very simple molecule. So this is the way of mechanism of enzyme catalysis. Yes, basically, enzyme catalyzed reactions are carried out in two steps. In first step, enzyme interact with the substrate and forms the enzyme substrate activated complex. In second step, enzyme substrate activated complex undergoes the decomposition and forms the enzyme and is a product. Enzyme and product. So this is for the mechanism of enzyme catalysis.